What's up YouTube, it is your boy Chris back again with another video. Now today's video, I'm bringing you guys my 2017 Honda Civic. And in today's video, if y'all saw my last video, I did a top 5 things I hate. Now these are the top 5 things I love about this car. So let's go ahead and get into the list. Alright, so number 1, now none of this is in order. I don't like something more than the other. It's just off the dome, just whatever comes to my mind. But the first thing that we're gonna look at is this little button right here. Now this is my econ button, which means I save gas. And where I live right now, it's low because coronavirus. But normally gas is not that cheapest here. So the fact that I have this button right here to save me some gas, I'm gonna take advantage of this. But anyways, so yeah, plus I get a nice little indication on the dash. Now, since we're already at the dash, let me go ahead and take you to my next point. Number 2, as y'all can see right there, oil life. This car tells me where pretty much when I need an oil change without me needing a little check engine or service needed, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. Right now the oil life is at 70%, which lets me know the life in my oil still has 70% in it. I just think it's a neat little gimmicky thing. I don't know, personally I thought it was cool. Point number 3 are the speakers in this car. I don't know if you can really see them, but they're not the greatest, but they're not bad at all. The bass in them is really good, and I love my music with bass heavy. I love my music being bass heavy, and these speakers are pretty good with the bass. The sound is clear, and honestly, sometimes I'll turn on my car and I'll have it pretty low, but I'll come in the next morning and I put them on and it's pretty loud, you know. So yeah, the speakers in this car are really good. All right, so number 4 is just the way the car looks from the front. I feel like it has a nice aggressive look to it, and I like how it looks. Even though it's the base model, it already looks pretty aggressive, and then with a few modifications I can make it even look more aggressive to it, which is going to take me to my 5th and final point on why I love this car. It's because it's a Honda Civic, which means parts are going to be cheap for this car. I'm not going to have to spend an arm and a leg to get a couple pieces to make this car look better than what it already looks like. So yeah, that's basically my top 5. Go ahead and leave down below what your top 5 is. Leave a like. And yeah, until the next video, see y'all. Peace.